Now, for this index finger, I kind of want to do some chrome action. And the first thing I'm going to start with is I am going to wipe the nail down with some 100% acetone to isolate the chrome powder. I'll show you what I mean in a minute when I apply the chrome powder. Other things that you can do is I've heard that you can file the nail to isolate the chrome, or you can apply a matte top coat, and sometimes that works. Personally, I've never tried the matte top coat or filing it. I usually just wipe it with 100% acetone. Let me get my acetone. It's over here. I don't even keep my acetone on my desk because if I spill the acetone on the desk, it completely ruins the surface of my desk. So I keep the acetone off the desk. Okay, me back. I got the acetone, and I'm just gonna firmly wipe it. Now you can only firmly wipe it, of course, after you cure it in the lamp, because it wouldn't be hardened, but yes. Anyway, so we're gonna be isolating our chrome by doing this. And please lock in if you don't know what that means. You're gonna find it out right here, right now. Alright, I have firmly wiped it with acetone now. Okay, now I'm gonna take some gel glue, and I'm gonna just make out a basic shape. I'm gonna do a heart this time in the center of the nail. And you can use the 3D modeling gel, but I'm just gonna use the gel glue. Gel glue is something you could use for 3D nail art, or you can use it to attach your Gel X nail, stuff like that. Not to be mistaken with foil gel glue. Two different things. Now that I have my little heart there, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp. After I cured that in the lamp, I want it to be a little more 3D, so I'm going to add a little more gel glue. I have noticed that gel glue is not as thick, though, as 3D modeling gel, but it's a little easier to work with. Alright, now I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Now that that heart is cured in the lamp, I'm going to go ahead and take my chrome powder. And I'm going to go ahead and rub it on the heart. And rub it, or you can like tap it in here. Let me shut that so I don't get that chrome powder everywhere. Now this part's very important. Wherever you want the chrome to be on the nail, you have to seal it in with top coat. And wherever that top coat is, the chrome will be. So let me just put the top coat on here and seal the heart in, and now I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Now that the top coat is cured in the lamp, I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the excess chrome powder. I'm going to do a really good job here, because the chrome powder will only stay where you put the top coat. So yes, there we go. There's our little etched out heart. You just need some acetone and you can isolate this chrome powder. I'm going to add a little more gel glue the sides here, because I want to add a little bit of moss to these nails. I have this really fun moss, so I thought it would be fun to put it on here. It's almost like the Grinch's fuzz. Kind of a little bit of a reef, you know what I mean? A little bit of a reef action here. Let me just cure that in the lamp. Alright, now I'm going to add a little more gel glue because I want to attach a bow to our fuzzy reef. A little tiny bow. There we go. Can you see it? It's a tiny bow. Then I'm going to add some red rhinestones. It's a little harder putting the gel glue on because of the moss. Probably should have put that first. Put down the rhinestones first. That's okay. Before we cure these in the lamp, we'll put a little more moss where the gel glue kind of pushed down the moss.